What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the broken handle on your bucket. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, let's get to it. Now these handles are horrible. It's like holding a cheese wire. So to take it off, first we hold it sideways like this and line up the hole. Then you're going to pull out and then lift up at the same time. There we go. Now you only need to remove one side. Now I'll go ahead and take off the old handle. Alright, now we're going to take about 4 or 5 inches of some old garden hose or tubing. Go ahead and cut that. There we go. And we'll slip that tubing right over our handle. Put it in the middle and see how this is lined up. You get that pointed end in the hole first. Snap it in. Alright, now you got a nice, sturdy, comfortable handle. Alright guys, and that's it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell so you can get my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.